how to turn on or turn off camera mode, settings to keep settings in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button. Then tap on the settings icon. Now in camera settings, we then scroll down, and in here, tap on settings to keep. At the top here, tap on camera mode. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Here says start camera in the last use mode, such as video, instead of always starting in photo mode. And after that, you can tap on the back key to return back to your camera, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.